Introducing the exquisite 1940 Ford Deluxe Opera Coupe, a classic that beautifully marries vintage style with modern upgrades. Priced at $44,995. This stunning coupe has traveled just 6,000 miles since its total frame-off restoration, ensuring that you are getting a vehicle in exceptional condition. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 350 Chevy crate motor paired with a T350 transmission, providing a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. This car is built with an all-steel body and features a Mustang 2 front end with rack and pinion steering, allowing for superb handling and control. The rear is outfitted with a Ford 9-inch rear end, providing durability and reliability. You'll appreciate the butted glass windshield, power windows, and an interior that is both elegant and functional. The trunk matches the pristine interior, complete with an electric trunk lid for added convenience. Comfort is paramount in this coupe, featuring 6-way power seats and cold AC for those warm summer days. The sound system is top-notch, with an overhead CD, AM, FM stereo that will have you cruising to your favorite tunes. The exterior boasts a gorgeous raspberry pearl paint job that will surely turn heads, complemented by a white interior with raspberry piping accents. Safety and performance have not been overlooked, with disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear, as well as dual Flowmaster exhaust with stainless tips, providing both style and a great sound. This car drives and handles so beautifully, you might forget you're behind the wheel of a 1940 model. Located in Geneva, Florida, you're invited to come see this stunning coupe in person. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this piece of automotive art. Behold the fabulous 1957 Cadillac Series 62 Kustom, now available for $25,000. This striking vehicle has undergone a full custom build, transforming it into a one-of-a-kind classic that will capture attention wherever you go. With a chopped roof that's been lowered by 4 inches, this Cadillac exudes a sporty and aggressive stance that sets it apart from the crowd. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 500 Cadillac crate engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and performance. The car features a Lexan windshield and side windows, while the rear window is made of glass, ensuring durability without sacrificing style. With a full air ride system and a 4-link rear suspension, this Cadillac offers a comfortable and adjustable ride that's perfect for cruising. The design is fully shaved, equipped with door poppers for easy access, adding a sleek touch to this classic beauty. Inside, you'll find an expensive sound system that ensures your driving experience is filled with great music. Although the paint has a few runs and chips, the overall appearance remains impressive, embodying the vintage charm of the 1950s. This Cadillac has driven 12,345 miles and is in very good condition. The original dash gauges are not hooked up, but that's a minor detail for such a stunning vehicle. With a clear title and a price set firm, this is a fantastic opportunity to own a unique piece of automotive history. Are you ready to embrace the elegance of the 1957 Cadillac Series 62, Kustom, and make it your own? Introducing the remarkable 1966 Dodge Coronet 442-door, a true classic muscle car now available for just $18,500. This stunning vehicle has been stored for 40 years, preserving its originality and character. With the fender tag and build sheet still intact, you can trust the authenticity of this solid car. Under the hood lies the original 361 engine, a robust power plant that embodies the spirit of American muscle. This Coronet is a survivor, showcasing a timeless design that remains as appealing today as it did in the 60s. The exterior is a vibrant yellow, and the interior is classic black, combining to create a striking color scheme that stands out on the road. With 40,000 miles on the odometer, this Dodge Coronet has plenty of life left in it. The automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, making your driving experience enjoyable whether you're cruising through town or hitting the open road. It's equipped with factory air conditioning, providing comfort on those warm summer days. This car is more than just a pretty face. It's a solid, dependable vehicle that represents the golden age of muscle cars. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. If you're ready to embrace the thrill of classic American muscle, the 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 is waiting for you. Step into the luxurious world of classic automobiles with this pristine 1965 Ford Thunderbird, available for $29,995. This fourth-generation T-Bird has undergone a complete restoration, ensuring that it looks and drives as good as new. The exterior shines in a beautiful white finish, complemented by a sleek black vinyl top, creating an elegant and timeless appearance. Inside, you'll find a perfect turquoise interior that's in outstanding condition, a true testament to the care and attention given during the restoration process. With factory air conditioning that blows cold, you can enjoy a comfortable ride regardless of the weather outside. The T-Bird is also equipped with an FM/AM/cassette radio, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes while cruising. This Thunderbird features power steering and power brakes, with upgraded Kelsey Hayes vented disc brakes for enhanced stopping power. The carpet and mats are brand new, perfectly matching the interior and adding to the overall ambiance of the cabin. Under the hood, you'll find a beautifully detailed V8 engine, specifically the 390 4-barrel, producing an impressive 300 GP and 427 lb-ft of torque, delivering a quiet and smooth ride. The restoration process included numerous upgrades such as new inner and outer front wheel bearings, a new radiator, and a complete overhaul of the carburetor. This T-Bird has been driven 95,000 miles, but thanks to its meticulous restoration, it is in excellent condition with no significant damage or problems. If you're looking for a classic car that combines style, performance, and comfort, this 1965 Ford Thunderbird is the perfect choice for you. Unleash your passion for classic cars with this stunning 1969 Ford Mustang, available for $39,900. This beautifully restored Mach 1 coupe has been meticulously refurbished, featuring a new one-piece floor pan, rear frame rails, and new quarter panels, all welded for durability and strength. It's powered by a 351 Windsor motor, which is believed to be original, delivering impressive performance that enthusiasts crave. Having been driven 130,000 miles, this Mustang is ready to hit the road with its professional paint job that enhances its striking appearance. The tires are in great shape, providing excellent traction and control on various terrains. Recent updates include a new fuel pump and a rebuilt power steering pump, ensuring that this classic drives as good as it looks. The seller emphasizes that they will only accept cash, and there are no trades or shipping options available. This commitment to the car's integrity means that only serious inquiries are welcomed. If you're looking for a classic American muscle car that stands out and performs exceptionally, this 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 is the perfect fit for you. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, feeling the roar of the engine and the excitement of driving one of the most iconic muscle cars in history. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Make this legendary Mustang yours and experience the thrill of classic car ownership. Introducing the charming 1936 Ford model, a deluxe four-door, priced at just $17,500. This classic beauty is powered by a flathead V8 engine and features a manual transmission, allowing you to enjoy the authentic driving experience that only a vintage car can provide. With aftermarket AC and heat, you'll be comfortable no matter the weather, making this sedan perfect for year-round driving. The car has an upgraded radiator and alternator, ensuring reliable performance during your journeys. The exterior is finished in a sophisticated gray, while the interior is adorned with tan upholstery, creating a classic look that captures the essence of its era. The suicide doors add a touch of elegance and charm, making it a unique find among classic vehicles. Having been driven 12,345 miles, this Ford Model A is considered driver quality, offering a blend of vintage aesthetics and modern reliability. Newer white-wall tires enhance its classic appearance while providing better performance on the road. This car is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of vintage automobiles and want a dependable vehicle for leisurely drives. Don't miss your chance to own this iconic piece of automotive history. Whether you're looking to cruise through town or take part in classic car events, the 1936 Ford Model A Deluxe four-door is ready to be your companion on the road. Experience the thrill of driving a classic muscle car with this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro convertible, available for $45,000. This iconic vehicle features a small block engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing an exhilarating driving experience. With 90,000 miles on the odometer, this Camaro is not just a showpiece. It's a driver-quality car that's ready to hit the road. The exterior boasts a vibrant orange finish, complemented by a sleek black interior that creates a striking contrast. It has recently been upgraded with new torque-thrust rims and tires, enhancing both its performance and appearance. The new dual exhaust system not only adds power, but also delivers a deep, satisfying rumble that will turn heads wherever you go. Equipped with power front disc brakes and power steering, this Camaro is designed for an enjoyable and effortless driving experience. Although it's not a show car, it offers a fantastic combination of classic style and fun driving dynamics. Priced at $45,000 or best offer, this Camaro is a great opportunity for anyone looking to enter the world of classic American muscle. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, cruising down the highway with the wind in your hair, soaking in the admiration from fellow car enthusiasts. If you're ready to own a piece of automotive history that's both fun to drive and full of character, this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro convertible is calling your name. Take a look at this stunning 1957 Chevrolet Custom Bel Air wagon, available for $49,500. This beautifully crafted vehicle features a brand new crate, 350 engine with only 300 miles on it, ensuring you have a reliable and powerful ride. With a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that you're covered. The custom interior is both stylish and functional, equipped with Dakota digital gauges and power features, including power windows and power steering with a tilt wheel. The vehicle is outfitted with power disc brakes for enhanced stopping power, ensuring that you can handle this beauty with ease. It has a new aluminum radiator with an electric fan, and the brand new exhaust system features 40 series mufflers, providing both style and a fantastic sound. This wagon is not just a pretty face, it's built to be a very well-built daily driver, showcasing craftsmanship that's hard to come by. While it was restored in the early 2000s, it still looks incredible with just a couple of minor flaws on the roof. With zero rust and no patch panels underneath, this classic Bel Air is ready for its next adventure. Driven only 300 miles since restoration, this 1957 Chevrolet Custom/Bel Air is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to own a unique piece of classic Americana. Introducing the charming 1964 AMC Rambler American 440 convertible, now available for just $5,500. This classic vehicle is a factory 6-cylinder model paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and easy driving experience. The factory AM radio functions properly, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes while cruising down the road. The white convertible power top is in great condition and comes with a factory boot, making it easy to transition from a cozy coupe to an open-air cruiser. The exterior paint shows well, boasting no major imperfections, while the chrome and brightwork add a touch of shine to this vintage beauty. With solid trunk and floor pans, you can trust that this car is built to last. Inside, the two-tone red and white accent interior is clean and inviting, perfect for summer drives with friends or family. Although the car runs and drives well, it does have one cylinder with low compression, which is a minor fix for those handy with engines. This convertible comes with 35 years of receipts, providing a detailed history of its care. Located approximately an hour and 15 minutes northwest of Chicago, this 1964 AMC Rambler American convertible is ready for a new owner. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a classic piece of automotive history at an affordable price.